Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to connect amigurumi legs. Start by aligning stitch markers on both leg openings and the body. Insert a blunt yarn needle and use the ladder stitch to join evenly. Keep tension consistent and stuff the legs slightly as you go to avoid lumps. Check symmetry by counting rounds and adjusting placement before finishing. Finish with a secure knot and weave in the tail for a neat look. Prepare both legs and the body by placing removable stitch markers where each leg will attach. Lightly stuff the legs so the opening remains stable while you sew them on. Count and match rounds to make sure both legs sit symmetrically on the body. Trim any long tails to a workable length and thread a blunt yarn needle. Keep your workspace bright so you can easily see each stitch as you join. Thread a yarn needle with a matching yarn tail and work a ladder stitch by alternating loops from the leg and body. Keep stitches small and consistent so the seam lies flat and nearly invisible. Pull the yarn gently after every few stitches and adjust the stuffing to prevent gaps or puckers. Periodically pause and compare both legs for symmetry and make small tension corrections as needed before.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.